Curry favor. Curry favor. It's an idiom. It means an act of praising someone so that some benefit or advantage can be gained, or seek to gain advantage by flattery. If you really giving lot of flattery or praises to some other in order to get some advantage from that person, you are really curry favoring that person. Let us see the examples. Number 1, Ajay is trying to curry favor with his uncle again. He is praising his uncle again because Ajay has got some work with his uncle. So he is trying to curry favor. Second one, if I were you, I wouldn't attempt to curry favor with anyone. If I were in your place, I will never try to flatter anybody. So that is the reason I wouldn't attempt to curry favor with anyone. Third one, her uncle is so rich that she feels compelled to curry favor with him lest she does not get mentioned in the will. So uncle is going to write a will. She wanted her name in the will. So she started flattering, praising her uncle. That is why she feels compelled to curry favor with him, praised him. Fourth one, it is not a good idea to curry favor with a person who does not care to notice you otherwise. That person is not noticing you, observing you, not at all taking care of you. Why are you praising him? Why are you flattering him? That is not good idea to curry favor. Fifth one, the new hires in this work type are usually seen curry favoring with the bosses until they figure out that they cannot reduce the work burden at all. So when we hire some new job holders, they try to get some attention from the boss. So they flatter the boss. That's the reason usually seen curry favoring the bosses. So when we look at the origin of this idiom curry favor, the curry in this expression has nothing to do with the curry that we eat normally. This curry comes from the world of horse riding. People who take care of horses make use of a curry comb or to rub the animal down. It is from this that we get the expression to curry, meaning to groom a horse or to rub down a horse. The word favor in the idiom has got nothing to do with the favor we know. It is in fact a corruption of the French name Fable or Fauvel. Fable is the name of a cunning centaur that appears in a French story written in the 14th century. A centaur, as you probably know, is an animal that is a half man and half horse. In the story, people who wanted to be in good books of the evil Fable used to flatter him and also rub him down. In other words, the characters in the story used to curry Fable. In fact, the original expression was to curry Fable. Since Fable sounded like favor, native speakers of English started saying it to curry favor. To curry favor, which means an act of praising someone so that you get some benefit out of it. In other words, seek to gain advantage by unnecessary flattery.